Future Elements Technology PT is an innovative provider of GIS platform software and services. Headquartered in Singapore, discover the advantages of using our self-developed GIS technology, designed to unlock the full potential of your data by seamlessly transforming complex geospatial data into actionable insights. Our original solution empowers you to make informed decisions that drive efficiency and growth. Elevate your operations and thrive in a data-driven world. Smart Building Big Data Visualization System, the use of three-dimensional visualization technology, the building of a variety of information and computer, three-dimensional virtual space model combined, scene intuitive presentation of data location, can quickly discover information, transfer information, and help users understand the information. Visual management of building internal details, efficient decision-making. One smart building visualization system usually consists of three core parts. One sensor network, various sensors installed in the building, such as temperature sensors, humidity sensors, smoke detectors, and so on, collect environmental data inside and outside the building in real time. Two data processing center. This is the brain of the system, which is responsible for receiving data from sensors, processing this information through big data analysis, and making corresponding adjustment instructions. Three user interface, including the large screen monitoring wall in the central control room and the mobile device application of employees, which is used to display real-time data and control the operation interface of the building facilities. Main functions and applications. 1. Environmental monitoring and automatic regulation. The system can automatically adjust the temperature, humidity, and air quality inside the building, according to preset parameters, to ensure the comfort and health of the environment. For example, when the concentration of 2 is too high, the system automatically adjusts the fresh air system to ensure indoor air quality. 2. To energy management, by precisely controlling the operation of large equipment such as lighting, air conditioning, and elevators. Smart building visualization systems can significantly reduce energy consumption and achieve energy-saving goals. 3. Security monitoring, integrated video surveillance system and intrusion detection system, real-time monitoring of park security conditions, rapid response to various emergencies to ensure the safety of personnel and property. 4. Intelligent navigation and access control. The system can provide indoor and outdoor intelligent navigation services and achieve access control through face recognition or RFID technology to improve the safety and convenience of the building. 5. Facility maintenance and fault warning, real-time monitoring and maintenance management of all facilities, prediction of potential fault through data analysis, maintenance in advance, and reduction of downtime. 3. The specific performance of intelligent experience. 1. Enhanced comfort. Employees can personalize their work environment through mobile apps, such as adjusting office temperature and lighting. 2. Improved work efficiency. The system automatically allocates resources and optimizes the use of facilities, reducing work interruptions caused by facility failure or inapplicability. 3. High level of security. Real-time security, monitoring, and quick response mechanism ensure the security inside the park. 4. Convenient, interactive experience. Whether it is meeting room booking or facility repair, all operations can be easily completed through the internal system.